A new law focused on social media was set to go into effect in Ohio today, but a decision by a federal judge put it on hold.
NBC4 State House reporter Natalie Fahmy tells us when the law could go into effect and what it is meant to do.
It's called the Social Media Notification Act, and lawmakers, including some of the state's top officials, say it's about keeping kids safe. But now, whether or not the law goes into effect is in the air. The Social Media Parental Consent Act was designed to require kids under 16 to get consent from their parent or guardian before signing up for social media.
I don't think it's unreasonable. Seems to me very reasonable if social media is going to be used by minors, that the parents have an ability to have some control over that.
As written in the state's law, social media companies like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok can adopt age verification in a number of ways, from mail to calling a toll-free number to ID verification.
Seeing it affect their mental health, their academic performance. You see more bullying. You see children become addicted to these platforms.
But last week, a temporary restraining order was put on the law, meaning it's on pause until next Tuesday at least, at which point the judge can extend that order for another 2 weeks.
Every time you pass a bill now, somebody's lawyered up and have their lawyers and they're filing something.
An executive for Meta, a social media company that owns Facebook and Instagram, says they do support federal legislation to require app stores to get parents' approval whenever teens under 16 download the app, but say right now there's a patchwork of different laws being passed across the country. They call it inconsistent security and privacy practices.
You know everything about us, for crying out loud. You know how old we are. I mean, there's a reason that I get AARP ads in my feed. Our children deserve to be protected.
But Lieutenant Governor Jon Husted says the state should not wait to act on this.
I have great concerns about what's happening to our children because of this online presence that's going on, where more children have become addicted to these platforms.
Meta says they already have a number of methods to keep kids safe, and they'll have more to say on this tomorrow. On February 7th, there is a hearing for a preliminary injunction on the law. If a preliminary injunction is granted, that means the law would be paused from going into effect until the legal battle is settled. Local for you at the State House, I'm Natalie Fahmy, NBC4.